In the Aria, found the only nickel video poker spot along this road right here. Been here about 5 or 6 times. They never move it. So I'm walking around with my empty wine glass from Mirage and my booze bottle. Walk past security, everybody else, and nobody said, "You can't have that." I'm not taking this liquor anymore into the bathroom. This is the high-class Aria, where thousands of dollars are bet at a time. This is what I do. $1 into the video poker machine. Let's see if it goes. Yeah, $1. That's all they get out of me. While everybody else goes for thousands of dollars. Right off the first deal, Ari, 4 of a kindy. I'm walking all over these casinos, and all I do is get compliments on my chain and my doohickey that I bought at Treasure Island last time. Everybody loves this. An Aria Schmaria full house. Singing an aria for another 4 of a kind. Ms. Aria is now nice to me with a straight flush. Thank you, ma'am. Another 4 ever so kind from the Aria. Looking for my drink server. I'm gonna hassle her. I ordered a Merlot. She took the order, never came back. She comes back in. I said, "Can I order a drink from you?" She probably saw my my wine glass with the scotch in it. I said, "I'm not going to serve that guy. His buck isn't worth it."